Crocodiles are among the oldest living creatures in the world. In Jamaica, there are increased sightings of crocodiles in some areas due to habitat loss.
We are destroying their home, which is mainly the wetlands. That's where some of the hotels are going up. That's where we have some of our recreational area. And that's where some of the informal settlements are. So humans are going in their habitat. So when you go in there now, you are going to encounter more of the crocodile. So some of the things we do now, in time of throwing waste in the gully, it can come up because if I can get food in the gully versus to go run on a fish, I'm going to do that. Second thing is, we are asking some of the fishermen in recreational areas. So if you know that people swim in this area and in that section of the river, people swim, don't go there, go clean your fish gut or your fish belly because it's a predator. So you're going to smell the blood and come towards. So that's one thing. And if you are a parent and you go with your kids in an area with crocodiles and say you're going on the water, be vigilant.
Social media was all abuzz recently after a video emerged showing a man butchering a crocodile. The video sparked public outrage and highlighted the need for more public education and awareness about the reptile. In Jamaica, crocodile meat is seen as a delicacy. There is also the belief that the tail is an aphrodisiac and can, quote, make your back strong, end quote.
I don't think it is true. And I think if you really have that problem and need something for your back, there's a lot of stuff that you can get at the pharmacy. Leave the crocodile alone.
Crocodiles are shy and attack if they feel threatened. In Jamaica, they are listed as an endangered protected species. They are protected under the Wildlife Protection Act.
You can be fined up to 100,000 or up to 12 months in prison, according to the Wildlife Act, if you are caught harassing, or caught with the eggs, caught eating, killing, poaching the crocodile.
If you see a crocodile, call the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, or the police. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Brittany Walker.